Collecting gases. Gases can be collected in different ways. Gases like oxygen, hydrogen, chloride, or nitrogen are collected in several ways. Methods of collecting gases. We'll see the ways in which we can collect gases. I can collect gases either in a downwards direction, downwards into a test tube or gas jar. Imagine any reaction is happening right here inside a beaker, and this tube is connected to the beaker, and then out into another beaker downwards. So the gas passes through this tube and will be collected here. Also, it can be collected upwards, as you can see, into a test tube or over water. We notice bubbles, meaning that gas is being collected here above. And lastly, in a gas syringe. This way is used if they want to measure the volume of the gas. So these are the methods in which we can collect gases.